using the Sena Audio Pack, the GP10 Audio Pack, and a, I don't know, like a GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black. I don't remember. I think my 4 is the one that died, or my 3 Plus. One of the two died. It had been so long since I had vlogged that a lot of my crap just went to crap. And you know, it's one of those things where I knew I wasn't supposed to like store, you know, fully charged batteries, but I kind of just stopped, and I kind of just stopped and then pushed everything out of the way and set it and forget it, and I just kept pushing it further and further away as I you know, finished my college degree. And all of a sudden, you know, next thing you know, it's been a while, and I can't find any of my GoPros, can't find any of my cables. And then when I finally get it all up and going, after finally, you know, spending like a month looking for the crap, it's not working very well. I don't know. You know, and I used to be that guy who would, you know, the next generation of GoPros would come out and I'd jump right on it. And, you know, I'd grab from a little bit of that YouTube money, buy a new camera, and, you know, and make a review about it. And now I'm kind of like, I don't know, now I'm thinking I should go out and pick up one of them newfangled pieces of technology. Get the GoPro 7 Black or something, I don't know. But then part of me is like, you know, make do with what you have, and, you know, well, you don't need fancy crap to make videos, and but I do. So anyways, I apologize. I have not been putting up the videos lately. A lot of things have been going on. One, the technology debacle of 2019. So there's that, and then on top of it, I have to edit on a really old laptop, so I kind of have to just like set it and forget it type of stuff. You know, chop up a chunk of video, or just put the whole video out, and nothing fancy, nothing schmancy, which is fine. I don't like doing it that way, but that's fine. I'll live. But I've also, for a while now, I jumped on an opportunity at work to just support another team, and now I'm in this weird flux where like I'm kind of like homeless at my job, and I'm just working, you know, crazy hours. I don't know, it's 7:30 p.m. now. I started work at 7 a.m. this morning. And I haven't been getting very much sleep for the last couple of weeks because of the new opportunity that's there, and like I'm running a division that's never existed before, and you know, and something I don't really know anything about it. I'm just kind of teaching myself how to do something. I don't know. So I guess through the process here, I'm like, it's a promotion of some sort, I guess. Like, it's just like this weird limbo, and it's just taking all the focus I have, which stinks. I mean, it's great. I'm not going to complain. I'm not complaining. But at the same time, like, I wanted to create videos. You know, I wanted to revive my YouTube channel, and you know, hey, it is life. Life is throwing some stuff at me, and you know, I have to get used to There was a time where my YouTube channel was like my whole bit of sanity, and now my YouTube channel is just kind of for fun, and I don't know, it's weird. And so anyways, I ultimately do plan on changing the channel name, and I ultimately do plan on creating, in my eyes, like cool content. I'm really excited to like start dabbling and creating, like, I don't know, like little mini movies and stuff, and just pushing the boundaries of what I know, and I don't know, just experimenting with video, talking like I'm from the East or something. I don't know. I'm experimenting with that newfangled technology, you know. We are. Anyways, yeah, life's just been really busy, guys. So I did something I haven't done for a long time, and that's I upgraded the firmware to the Sena stuff, except for the GoPro, the GP10, the audio pack that connects the audio from my Sena 20S headset to the GoPro. Apparently that has not had any firmware updates ever, and I don't think it's even supported anymore by the company, but whatever. As last I checked, it worked, but and lately it hasn't been. It's just been killing the battery. I don't know. Yeah. Is this even interesting, guys? I mean, come on. I'm not trying to be, I guess, interesting, though I would love to be. But I don't have no more energy. I'm all tapped out for the day. You only get the leftovers, my friends. I'm sorry. Just leftovers here. But you get to learn about that newfangled technology, and that's always good. And hey, this show is brought to you by Motorcycle Accidents. Call Russ Brown, Motorcycle Attorneys. I'm just joking. I'm not sponsored by Russ Brown whatsoever, but he's got a billboard. Kind of want a billboard. That'd be fun. If you had a billboard, what would you have it say? You know, you can put out any message you want. But I mean, I guess if you want to like capitalize on marketing and make money and, you know, whatever, I guess that's fine too. But I kind of like to put out a little clever message, I guess. I don't know what it would be. Like, you just get the leftovers. I don't know. Let's get around this guy. Yeah. It's been a long day. I do hope to continue making videos. We'll see how this firmware upgrade works, and maybe I'll get a GoPro 7. What do you think? Should I get a GoPro 7 black, or does it really matter? I mean, are you watching this right now going, ooh, that's just as fancy and nice as anything else I've watched? Or are you like, man, it really needs that optical image stabilization doohickey. Otherwise, it ain't worth my time. I don't know. One of the benefits to... oh God, I guess this is really an audio test, right? Because I'm on the freeway. I didn't even think about that. I'm wearing the Arai XD4. In this video, Triple X Dead is wearing the ensemble of the Arai XD4. It's a very breathable helmet, so a lot of air comes through, and it makes a noise. I'm gibberish right now. I'm gibbering, jibber-jabbering. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But yeah, you probably can't hear crap. Let me see if I can seal it up a little bit more, if that helps, or if you just hear a little bit more of that booming noise that I hear. I don't know. My last helmet, the Nex XD4, I think it was. No, I'm confusing names. It was a Nex helmet. The tri-carbon fiber something composite helmet. It was super quiet, super lightweight. This helmet's just about as lightweight though. But this helmet breathes. It's so nice. I feel like I get a lot of air. Anyways, I was gonna do a review video of how many miles do I have now? 1,400 or something? Let me find out. This is hold music. 1,363 miles. Bullseye Bishop. I was gonna do a 1,000 mile review a week ago or 2 weeks ago. And I was all excited. I'm like, I won't be able to make a video for a while, and I'll have a review video. And anyways, I started to film it, and I did this really amazing epic ride, and it was beautiful and just awesome. And of course, whatever I was saying was total bullshit, but everything else was amazing. But the audio came out like crap. Like, I don't even have good bike audio. It's pretty pathetic. So that's kind of why I'm doing the audio test today, because I'm kind of confused that I'm kind of convinced, I'm sorry, that, and confused. I'm convinced, though, that I no longer have working equipment with my GoPro, which that's a doozy. For sure a doozy, and I probably don't need to be wasting money buying more GoPros. I probably just need to figure out how to, like, find something that works. I don't know. But that doesn't sound as fun. Anyways, I tried doing a review of this bike, and I'll get one up there at some point. 1K review sounded like a cool video title. Like, there's not a whole lot of excitement in the 1,364 mile review of a motorcycle, but maybe, I don't know. We'll see. I wonder if that guy has like a 20 mile review of his flannel shirt. Alright, I gotta stop making fun of Harley, guys. It's just too easy, guys. You know, as years and years of being on the inside and being a Harley rider, you hear it all. You hear it all for sure. Anyways, yeah. I'm working on another video, though, speaking about Harleys. And I'm real excited about procrastinating on that video for a while, because God knows how quickly I'm going to be able to finish that one. I can barely finish this one, and this one's easy. I just turn on the camera and go.